Today we got a client lost all of the key. In a minute we're gonna unlock the vehicle, which will go into alarm, which arms the vehicle, and then we're gonna deactivate the alarm and issue two brand new keys. As you can see, the doors open and the car is in alarm mode. So on Velar all key loss situations, if HPLA model, the canvas doesn't work when armed, so you got to come to the KVM, make sure it's got 12 volt, and this is the one way of doing it. So you make sure that the connections to can high can low is solid. So you plug your CAN bus lock50 cable alarm, and then you bring to the pin with the needle. This is safer way without damaging the cable, and the car will supply the 12 volt to the KVM, and you can turn the alarm off. In a minute I will show you, and you can make a key duplicator, and then the key will work fully functional. Now we have successfully disarmed the vehicle. Now we can proceed with the key duplicator to issue two new keys. Now as you can see, the lights on, it's unlocked, and we can just make a copy even if it's lock module using HW05, or for USA HW03 or 06, one of them. You can make the full copy, which will be fully functional on passive start, lock unlock, and emergency start. I'm going to show you so one key fully programmed. Let's do the second key. Second key done. And as you can see, and two keys done, fully programmed, and lock unlocks. Let's start the vehicle. Keys in hand, remote starts.